Hi, I'm Azzy. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this bell Christmas card using the ScanNCut. So let me show you how. For the bell card, go into patterns, into here, this section here, tap on the bell, say OK, tap onto here, say OK and set it to the mat. We don't want the bow on our actual card, so if we go into Edit, Object Edit and Ungroup, we tap onto the mat, the bow is highlighted, so we can go into OK and delete and say OK. But the bell and the clanger bit are both separate now, so we want to group them back again. So go into Select, Select All, say OK, Object Edit and Group and say OK. Duplicate that bell, go into Object Edit, Duplicate, +1 and say OK, and just move one underneath here. This top one here we want to weld it so it all becomes one. So if we ungroup it and weld it, say OK, and then we want to reduce that to 1.5 inches and say OK, and then we want to duplicate that again, so +1 here, say OK. So we've got 2 of those, and we also want to resize this bell, which will be the decorative element, down to the same size, 1.5 inches and say OK. From here I want to angle both of those 2 bells so that they look like they are on the card that you saw at the start of the video. So if we go into rotation, this first one here we want to rotate it 30 degrees clockwise. So if we do that, and up here it will let us know how many degrees we've done in case you lose count. And this one, want to rotate that 30 degrees anti-clockwise. So do that as 30 and 5 and say OK. Say OK. Go into the magnifying glass, go into 400, move across, and then just go into the top of the bell to overlap each other to see how they look when they're at that point. So if we just move that down a bit, where's that other bell gone? Just want to move that here, because when you press that, when the red, when it's not highlighted there, you can actually see where the lines are. So go back into 400. Okay, so we can see here we want to just overlap it a little bit more. Go on to there. Okay, so from there we just want to take it over just a tad this way. There we go. So we just want to move that up a slight bit there. Okay, so that looks pretty much okay. So at this point we want to weld both of those 2 together. So highlight that, go into Select, Partial Select, move this mat over, say OK, say OK, Object Edit and Weld and say OK. So this is our decorative element, and that you can copy as many times as you want to put onto your card. I cut out 4 of those, but if you want to have more dimension, obviously you can cut out 6 or 8 depending on how you want the look on your card. So these 2 here we want to put into the center of a 5 3/4 inch square card, which is the size I have made it. So if we go into OK, go into OK, go into Add, go into Patterns, Basic Shapes, pick up a square, set it to the mat. I want to resize that to 5 3/4 inches. OK. So here we want to center these 2 bells in the middle of here. So if you say OK, select, partial select, bring this mat over, say OK, arrows, alignment, horizontal and vertical. Say OK, object edit and weld. Sorry, group. And say OK. So when we cut it, those two bells will cut out, and then when we cut these bells out as well and decorate them, then you can put them exactly in the center on that layer, and then obviously put it onto the front of a card base. So at this point, just going to duplicate that 4 times, say OK. So I'm going to save this to my machine, get my papers and everything ready, and once I've made my card up, I'll show you what I've made. I'm really pleased how this bell card has turned out. I cut out 4 bells and glued 2 of 2 together, just so that there's a little bit of dimension on the card. And for the foiling on the top, I have used gilding flakes. The clanger bit I've also foiled with red foil, and the Happy Christmas sentiment is from Woodware Stamps. For the arrangement at the top of the bell, that's using various dies from 2 different Sizzix die sets. They are numbers 663101 and 664581. These are the 2 die sets that I used. This is a fairly easy card to make using the ScanNCut, so I hope you'll give it a go. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.